Maxim 41. A liberal man who eats and bestows is better than a devotee who fasts and hoards. So liberal as in free giving rather than bound by possessing. So it's just the context of the term liberal. Because if you divide the four types of religion into, you got the fundamentalist, you have the conservative on one side, and then on the other side you have the liberal. And then you take that even further, you have the reformist, the person who says, oh, I got the spirit of the law, so I don't have to obey the law, and I'm going to do things my way, and ends justify the means and all that other stuff. Well, the liberal is letting things, it's not that they don't know what the beliefs and actions that they should be doing and shouldn't be doing are, or should have and shouldn't have. It's that they're not believing here and there as fits their convenience, or, oh, I want popularity, so, that's the thing. And of course, let's define fundamentalists. Fundamentalists is not, oh, they're intolerant or whatever. It's that they go straight up to the sources and make their conclusions for themselves. A conservative, likewise, wants to be completely faithful, but they're faithful to the interpretations and the traditions of other people than the prophets and their revelation and inspiration. They're faithful to the continuing interpretation. Now, you can, as a fundamentalist, look at that